Hi friends, in this video I am going to show how to install Apache LDAP directory and Apache Studio in Windows system. So what is Apache directory and what is Apache Directory Studio? Apache directory is the LDAP directory to store user identity information. It is equivalent to Microsoft Active Directory and OpenDJ LDAP directory, etc. Okay, so how to install Apache directory? So what is Apache Directory Studio? It is a tool to access Apache directory server, that is LDAP directory. So Apache Directory Studio is a generic LDAP tool to access any LDAP server. Okay. So now I am going to show you how to install both softwares. Okay. Before going to install Apache Directory Server, so you have to install Java 1.8. So I think already you have installed in your system. If not installed, you can install. Okay. Apache. Type in the Google like Apache DS. So there is a welcome to Apache DS. So here we have to download Apache DS 2.0.am. Okay. The same way we can download Studio also here. Yeah. So you can download both software at a time. Okay. So already I have downloaded in my system. Yeah. Here I have downloaded Apache DS. Yeah, here I have downloaded Apache Directory Studio and Apache DS. Okay, so first we will install Apache DS. So unzip the Apache DS file. So now go to inside the folder. So there is a bin. So go to Windows command prompt. Open like a Windows command prompt, like typing CMD in the URL. Yeah, now we are in the same folder. So this is the Apache DS. We can, there is a two files. Okay, Apache DS, one for the Windows system and the second one for the shell script. That is a that file using in Linux system to start the Apache DS. Now we are in the Windows system, we are installing, so we have to type apache ds.bat, starting Apache DS instance debug. So it will take few seconds, depends on our system performance. So parallelly we can unzip the Apache Directory Studio also. Yeah, yeah, Apache DS is started. Okay. So and also we have unzipped Apache Directory Studio also. So there is a Apache Directory Studio. So we can double click on this. So it will take a few seconds to start Apache Directory Studio. Yeah, Apache Directory Studio opened successfully. Now click on LDAP. So give any connection name, Apache DS something test. So what is the host name? So you can give localhost is a default host name. So what is the port of Apache directory LDAP directory server? So that is 10389. Okay. Next, click on next button. So here is the bind DN or user. So what is the default bind DN user? So that is admin user. So that is UID equal to admin, comma OU equal to system. This is the default admin username. And password, what is the default password? Secret. The password is secret. Okay. So now check authentication. Click on check authentication. So the authentication was successful. So you can click on next, and finish. So here you can see. So there is a base DN is D is equal to example, comma D is equal to equal. So here you see here I have configured multiple other LDAP directories also, like OpenDJ I have configured, like existing of other Apache DS also configured. So here how to add the user. So I will show you how to add one user. Okay. Create new entry. So click on next, like create entry from scratch. create next. So here we have to enter type inet org person. So now selected object classes are four: inet org person, organization person, person, and top. These are the classes required for the user. Okay, now we have to uid. You can type narayana dot ragi or narayana tutorial. So click on next. So you can give any first name, common name, narayana tutorial. Click on finish. So the user is created. So you can paste this. So fetch operational attributes. So here you can. So how to add one more attribute in this for this user? So click on the plus button. So have to type what is the attribute name, like suppose user password. Click next. Click finish. So here you can give the what is the we can give any password for this for that user. Yeah. So like that we can add a number of attributes for these users. Like we have a so many attributes here. So you can add like a postal address, post office, photo, pager, a room number, address one, address two, like that. Okay, you can add a number of attributes. Okay. So how to stop Apache DS? Just in the Windows system, you can press the Control C. Automatically it will be stopped. Okay. How to start? The same way how Apache does. Apache DS.bat. You have to start. Thank you for watching this video. Please give comments and subscribe to get latest updates from Narayana tutorial channel. Thank you once again.